Nifty trick. Pinch grip, flip it, thing. So essentially what you're doing is you're flipping it, you're flicking it downward, then you're going to grab it like that, then you're going to press the button with an electric lighter, or you can simply do it like that and then flip it around like that. Or you can do it like this, flip it back around like this, then flip it back around like that, like this, flip it back around like that. This is an electric lighter by Pilot. It's a pretty good one for the price, about $10 or so. Just a trick you can look fancy with any zippo style top lighter. Here you can see it's a zippo style closure up at the top. Just some tips and tricks to look kind of geeky in a zippo fashion with a electric lighter.